We are witnessing the emergence of the future of aviation. This video presents the initial recordings of China's 6th Generation Kampfflieger, Die USA in Erstaunen, supersonic aircraft of the latest generation that attain velocities of as much as 2,000 kilometers/e drones, electric aircraft, and groundbreaking tiltrotor planes that are currently transforming aviation. All this will become evident in just a few minutes. Let's go! In recent years, the United States has been actively developing and testing supersonic passenger aircraft with the goal of revolutionizing air travel by achieving unprecedented speeds and efficiency. The aerospace startup Hermeus, founded by former engineers from SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Generation Orbit, is working on Quarter Horse, a supersonic aircraft projected to reach speeds of 6,125 kh, 5 times the speed of sound. The U.S. Air Force designated $60 million in 2023 for the flight testing of this reusable aircraft that could become the fastest ever. The United States' endeavors to regain supremacy in supersonic passenger aviation are underscored by these ambitious projects, which aim to combine advanced speed capabilities with state-of-the-art innovations to improve travel safety and comfort. NASA and Lockheed Martin Skunk Works debuted the X-59 quiet supersonic technology aircraft in January 2023. It is an essential part of NASA's Quest mission aimed at revolutionizing supersonic air transport. A notable characteristic of the X-59 is its capability to sustain supersonic speeds while reducing noise pollution on the ground. This is achieved through an advanced aerodynamic design, including a long-pointed nose that makes up 1/3 of its 30 meters fuselage, swept-back wings, and an engine strategically positioned on top of the aircraft. Flying at an altitude of 16.8 kilometers, the X-59 can reach speeds of 1,488 kilometers per hour. The data gathered from its test flights will help shape new global aviation regulations and potentially lift restrictions on supersonic travel over land. This initiative is progressing under the Non-Inman Scientific and Technological Program, which is dedicated to advancing future-oriented innovations. In August 2024, China successfully carried out the first flight of its latest unmanned cargo aircraft. The test flights took place at Phong Airport in Sichuan Province, located in the southwest region of the country. Developed and manufactured by Sichuan Tangent Technology (CTD). The aircraft is powered by twin engines and built for logistics operations. Designed for seamless loading and unloading, the aircraft prioritizes reliability, security, and high automation. It is the largest unmanned cargo plane in China, capable of transporting up to 2 metric tons. The project aims to address the increasing demand for autonomous cargo transport, particularly in hard-to-reach or isolated locations. The successful trial flights underscore China's rapid progress in drone aviation, reinforcing its goal of becoming a leader in this sector. Recently, Italy's Leonardo introduced its innovative tiltrotor aircraft, the AW6009, which successfully completed its first takeoff and landing on an aircraft carrier. This groundbreaking demonstration highlights the aircraft's ability to combine the velocity of a plane with the agility of a helicopter. This milestone expands the AW6009's potential applications in military settings, including transport, search and rescue missions, and support for special operations. As the world's first certified commercial tiltrotor, the AW6009 offers vertical takeoff and landings, similar to a helicopter, while achieving speeds of up to 500 kilometers per hour and a range exceeding 1,300 kilometers. This hybrid design enables operations in extreme conditions, from maritime missions to deployments in remote environments. The aircraft accommodates up to 9 passengers and can be modified for specialized roles, such as medical evacuations and border surveillance. Japanese engineers at Kawasaki have created the KRAER-X2, a next-generation cargo drone capable of transporting up to 200 kilograms over distances exceeding 100 kilometers. This autonomous helicopter was designed to overcome logistical challenges in remote areas, particularly in Japan's mountainous regions, where traditional transportation methods face limitations due to workforce shortages and rugged terrain. Equipped with a primary rotor spanning 7 meters and powered by high-octane gasoline, the drone boasts a flight range of 100 kilometers and an operational time exceeding 1 hour. At sea level, it can lift up to 200 kilograms. While at an altitude of 3,100 meters, Its maximum payload is 100 kilograms. This capacity is sufficient for transporting construction supplies, food, and essential equipment to isolated regions, including mountain outposts and emergency relief zones. The TAER-X2 successfully passed tests at the Fukushima Robot Test Field. In January 2024, the U.S. Air Force concluded a 3-month evaluation of Alia, a fully electric aircraft developed by Beta Technologies, conducted at Duke Field Airstrip in Florida. The test demonstrated significant strides in the advancement of electric aviation. Powered entirely by electric engines, Alia is an environmentally friendly and cost-efficient aircraft designed for versatile applications, including cargo and passenger transport, as well as medical supply deliveries across medium distances. It is suited for evacuation missions, humanitarian aid, and logistical support. Developed by Vermont-based Beta Technologies, Alia is the company's flagship project aimed at accelerating the adoption of sustainable aviation solutions. Boeing Phantom Works has developed the cutting-edge Phantom unmanned aerial vehicle designed to operate at altitudes of up to 19,826 meters with an impressive 46 meters wingspan. This UAV is powered by 2 internal combustion engines with a 2.3 liters capacity specifically optimized to run on hydrogen. The Phantom I reaches speeds of 278 kilometers per hour and carries a payload of up to 204 kilograms, making it ideal for high-precision reconnaissance and communication missions. At a recent aviation exhibition in China, engineers introduced a next-generation aerospace combat aircraft for the first time in history known as the B or White Emperor. This state-of-the-art jet is a development of the Aviation Industry Corporation of China. Designed as a multifunctional aerospace fighter, it can reach supersonic speeds and, if required, leave Earth's atmosphere. Engineered for a wide range of combat operations, the aircraft features a modular airframe, allowing it to be adjusted for various missions. Enlarged internal missile compartments enhance its stealth capabilities and overall combat efficiency, making it ideal for high-stakes tactical scenarios. The aerodynamic structure of the prototype prioritizes stealth with sharp-angled surfaces, minimizing radar visibility. Introducing the Doug-700, a fast, long-distance drone from China. Unveiled at a recent military tech expo, unofficial sources say it may carry a nuclear warhead. It's claimed to be more adaptable and smart, incorporating new abilities such as self-detection, autonomous entry and exit, single-button launch, and self-return landing. This drone can also deploy glide bombs, air-to-ground rockets, radars, and naval missiles among other airborne armaments to strike long-distance dance ground objectives. By the way, some insiders suggest that ex-Tesla engineers contributed to the development of this drone. Its versatility makes it a game-changer in both offense and defense, allowing China to keep pace with global drone warfare trends. China is making significant strides in its air power with the development of the H-20, a strategic nuclear stealth bomber that could change the dynamics of global military aviation. Known as the god of war in the sky, the H-20 is expected to be a game-changer in China's nuclear arsenal. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the next big innovation. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.